Bott is for everybody. I think there is a misconception that Bott is elite and prestige. And whilst we love being well respected in the market, there's a Bott system for every working environment.
Mandy, we're here at MAC 2026 on your stand. You have got such an impressive setup here.
Thank you, we love it. We've designed it specifically so that we can show users of our product that it doesn't have to be individual items. We're showcasing our heavy-duty system, which is completely modular, so it can be put together in a run like this for any working environment.
Any working environment. And talking about environments, if it's very loud, just remember we are here at MAC, so we've got everything going on. Mandy, we're going to start from the beginning and work all the way down. You say it's modular, so like you said, it works for any customer and what they want.
It's all about understanding the customer's requirements. What space do they have? How do they want to utilize it? We've got such a choice of sizes, of colors, of accessories, and of ways to configure the workstation, such as worktops for different processes.
Workspace efficiency, like you said, you're going to have lots of, being at a CNC show here, you specifically and obviously logically designed it for the CNC industry. So tell me about why that is appealing and for the customers that are walking around.
It's really important right now from a 5S and lean point of view. Everybody is feeling the pinch from the increased costs. So having something that increases their productivity also increases their efficiency and saves cost. So with our vast range of accessories, we're able to configure the layout exactly to the customer's workflow.
There's a drawer and a cupboard here. I just want to talk to you specifically about this one. We were looking at it earlier. So in here you've got spacers that somebody can pick, and then also at the bottom you've got, talking about efficiency here, you've got the tool holders there where your tools can go in. So talking about efficiency from a customer point of view, you can set this up for one job that can go on the CNC machine. If you're a subcontractor that's got a repeat order, how often do you sell something like this? How often do you see someone come in and say, this is the sort of setup that I want?
Well, it's a 50-50 really. You know, some customers will see a product that we've already pre-configured and others will have specific requirements. What we feel is really important is that we understand their requirements. So if a standard configuration with a CNC drawer fits them, perfect. But if it doesn't, then we will tailor it to be exactly what they need.
So tailoring it to be exactly what you need, you could probably go in, or someone could come to you, I don't want to say Bob and his shed, but something like that, to a multi-million-pound setup. How do you work around that and basically fully kit out a setup like that?
Well, it's all about the project process. When somebody is aware of Bott and they want to investigate our options, we would usually offer them a site visit. And when we go to site, we've asked lots of questions. We want to fully understand what is their process, what space do they have, what struggles are they having now in the production process. Once we know that, we can configure something that is ergonomic, that is efficient, that's functional for exactly what they need.
And standout solutions. So you obviously have one-step customers and you have repeat customers. Talk to me about the solutions that they're overcoming and why they keep coming back to Bott.
Well, some of them aren't coming back quickly enough because our product lasts too long. You
yes,
know,
It
has a 10-year warranty, so I see lots of product out in the field that is very old but still performing, which we're delighted about. But when we get repeat customers, it's where they're expanding or perhaps moving into a new area where they need something that is tailored just slightly differently. Yeah. So we can upgrade what they have already with different accessories, or we can provide something that's configured exactly to suit that new area.
Brilliant. So as Bott are going into different sectors, going into different engineering places, what are the biggest challenges that you're seeing from your point of view?
Okay, well, I think that many customers are looking to save costs. So at the moment, of course, the market is difficult to justify investing in something that has such a long life. But what we are finding from the customers is that they are actively seeking to save those costs. So they are looking at 5S, they're looking at lean, but they want our advice. You know, they've all got their own day jobs, and when they're reconfiguring a new workshop, they want to know, what do you think would save us costs? What do you think would make us more efficient? So I think that what we do is we're going in to solve the challenge of helping them know where to begin with a project of this size.
And 100%, you've always got to start at a starting point, and you see so many different designs, so many different ways of doing it, that to have you on site and to be able to lead them probably gives them and you a bit of satisfaction that you've done it. End-to-end support. We mentioned 10-year warranty. This stuff is hard duty. I've used it before and it lasts the test of time. But talk to me about end-to-end support and how you can help supporting those customers who have bought this amazing kit.
Well, many of our customers, as you mentioned earlier, are repeat customers, and they're buying from us year after year after year. We obviously have that long warranty, and so our customers keep coming back, whether that's for increased accessories for different worktops or just because they want to add to the existing system.
Mandy, you've got such a range here that is something for everybody, but why do people choose Bott?
We've talked a lot today about it being a modular system that is customizable for anyone, but I think the service is equally as important as the products. We manufacture the product here in the UK, and that means that we are able to customize, to provide a quick service, to be able to be local for any questions that customers might have. The customers and potential customers, they know that when they're working with Bott, we're right there with them. We're partnering them right from the beginning, the initial inquiry, right through to installation.
Being here at MAC 2026, what would you like people coming to this exhibit and coming to your stand, what would you like them to take away from the day?
Well, I'd like them to realise that Bott is for everybody. I think there is a misconception that Bott is elite and prestige, and whilst we love being well respected in the market, there's a Bott system for every working environment. So we are not out of their range. We are not something that they don't need. Our products are very relevant for markets in any industry.